Cellulite. You know, the cottage cheese looking stuff that comes out of nowhere on our butts, arms, thighs, stomachs, and the back of our legs. Yeah, it's got to go, like yesterday. While about 90% of us women struggle with this issue, you would think it wouldn't be such a huge deal, but we all feel it's quite unsightly. You may want to get an early start on your summer body, so before summertime rolls around again, you'll be ready to sport the shortest shorts or the tightest dresses without the concern of the dreaded cheese. If you're tired of the cheese, try these 3 tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join us here at Everything Women. Number 1. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are natural diuretics that contain silica, a naturally occurring ingredient that boosts moisture and elasticity. They can be eaten or rubbed on your problem areas for results. If you choose to eat cucumbers, eat them regularly for the best results. If you don't like the taste of cucumbers, then simply cut a cucumber into slices and rub the cucumber center on your problem area. You will see a noticeable difference in the appearance of your cellulite. Number 2. Massages. Yeah, that's right. Pampering yourself really pays off sometimes. Massages help with lymphatic drainage and stretches out your skin tissue, reducing the appearance of cellulite. Cellulite is caused by fatty deposits pushing through layers of collagen or connective tissue underneath the skin. Deep tissue and lymphatic massages help to increase the connective tissues and increase lymphatic drainage, reducing the appearance of cellulite. Number 3. Change your diet. By changing the food you eat, you can drastically change the appearance of cellulite. Processed foods are horrible for fighting cellulite, along with our delicious favorite pizzas, sodas, cheeses, and alcohol. Foods high in refined sugar also do no wonders for getting rid of the lumps, bumps, and dimples. Try replacing some of these foods with celery, onions, cucumbers, oily fish, green tea, asparagus, or broccoli. Also, remember to drink plenty of water. Foods that are natural diuretics, such as these, are very useful in reducing the appearance of cellulite. And that's 3 tips in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.